In this video, I will show you how to disconnect WhatsApp from Instagram. We start on our Instagram main homepage, and to disconnect WhatsApp from Instagram, the first step is to go to the bottom of this homepage. And now, among all these icons that appear here, we have to go to the right where this profile image icon is located, and we tap on it. Now we arrive to our profile page, and there are two steps to disconnect WhatsApp from Instagram. The first one is to go where it says Edit Profile, and we click on that button. Now that we are on our Edit Profile page, we have to scroll down a bit until we see a section labeled Contact Options. And as you can see on its right, there is WhatsApp, and we have to click on it. Here in the Contact Options page, we go to the Public Information section, and then the third option is our WhatsApp number, and we have to click on it to enter on that page. Here, as you can see, we can change our WhatsApp number, or instead we can remove it, and we have to press on that Remove WhatsApp text. Now in this panel, we have to click on Yes, and we remove it. After that, we go to the top, and on the left, we click on this arrow to go back, and then we click on this arrow again to go back to our profile page. Now the second step is to go to the top right, and we have to click on these three horizontal lines. Now that we're on the Settings and Activity page, we have to go to the Your Account section at the top. And here we enter on the Account Center option. After that, in the Account Center page, we have to scroll down a lot until we see a section labeled Accounts, and we have to enter there. Here, in my case, I'm not seeing it, but you will see an option labeled WhatsApp, and you have to click on it and press on the Remove button, and that's everything.